Come on. Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. A long time no see me, or just long time no see. So, for those of you that are new and maybe wondering where have I been? So I've been involved in this huge rehab project. Long story, there's other videos about it. Anyways, I'm getting ready for a big move, and I've got to pack up my whole studio here in the whole hangar. So I figured one last video before I take down the hangar and move it to the new hangar. So I'm gonna take apart extra number 2 and put it in the box. I still have the box for it, so I figured I would just disassemble it, put it in the box, and talk to you guys a little bit. And I know we've got tons of videos that we've started and haven't finished. All the DXS stuff. We still got our FAA dog leash that we got to talk about. We got tons of stuff to talk about, and we'll pick up where we left off as soon as I get settled into the new hangar, which I'm kind of excited about. I'm not excited about packing this one up and taking it to the other one, not at all. So I hope you guys are doing good. For those of you that live where the weather's still good, you can fly right now. I'm a little jealous. Others like myself in the southeast, it's pretty cold. It's not really flying season right now. We have had some decent days in the past few weeks, but for the most part it's been in the 30s and 40s, and it's just not all that much fun when it's that cold. So I'm not missing out on much flying, but I'm missing out on videos with you guys. I started another channel all about my rehab, but I haven't really added anything new to it consistently lately, because I've been so busy trying to make my deadline that I just didn't have time to make videos. I've recorded a bunch, and when I get time I'll edit it and then put some stuff out. But the other channel is named YouTube Pays My Mortgage. I was hoping that it would get enough views to actually pay my mortgage, but maybe one day. So far it's paid about that much. So, alright, hey, I'm going to knock the dust off this guy and take it apart and put it in the box. And then we'll just see what happens. Hang tight. Let me get my plane stand. Man, my cat Simba is going crazy because he was always the cat that hung out in the hangar here, and he's like, "Whoa! I haven't seen this in a while." He's already meowing and wanting to get petted and all that stuff while I'm in here working. I haven't been in here messing with airplanes in a couple months, and I'm rather missing it. So this plane is the one that came with the 631, and it had box damage. It had bad wings, and we did a whole video series on trying to repair the wings with all the different kinds of methods. The hot water in the bathtub, the steam, the this, the that. We put popsicle sticks in there. We did all kinds of stuff. And then when I went and flew it, it flew like crud because we had put so much weight into the wings, but the fuselage was still stock, so it didn't fly all that well. But it was fun to do the videos and fun to try it. These wings are from extra 3, I believe. I have 3 of them, and for some reason these wings are different than all the rest. They don't have any hinges. All the E-Flite extra airplanes have they're plastic pinned hinges, and for some reason these wings don't. So I put these wings on the plane that had the box damage and flew it once, and it flew just like my other one. All right, unplug the aliens. Let me try to find a screwdriver here and to get the 4 screws that hold the wings in. We'll get them pulled out, and man, I need to knock the dust off this thing for real. You can feel the dust on the wings and stuff. It's been hanging up it's been hanging up in my room on a plane stand for well, since last fall. Uh-oh, not long enough. I can tell you, that tells you how long I've been out of the loop. Those are Allen bolts, and I'm trying to stick a Phillips in there. Come on, Sean, come on. Come on. 1.5, I think. There we go. Yeah, being that I still have a box for one of these, let's use it. And that way, when I make this move, you know, you can get a whole you can get more planes packed up into a truck or car or whatever when they're in the box versus put together. That's for sure. Pretty soon we'll be giving away a jet. We're almost to 5,000 subscribers. Not too much longer. You guys need to tell me what kind of jet we need to get. In the comments, tell me what you guys want to be the giveaway jet. Whatever the most comments are for a particular jet, that's what we'll go with. We need to find a magnet. Digging in my toolbox, I take the field that I know or would normally know exactly where things are and what I have, and I feel lost. All right, got a magnet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4. Now this thing's been put together for so long. Oh, might be kind of hard to get the wings apart. Goodness gracious, they were in there. There we go. Now, and I just remembered something that I can't disassemble the back because you glue the rudder on there. So I can't put the plane in the box, but I can put the wings, and I can put the landing gear, and that'll make it a little easier to transport. That's for sure. All right, so we'll pop the gear off. Oh, it's coming back to me now, just like riding a bike. So who all is using your Sky ID? Mine showed up, you know, like 5 months after it was supposed to be here, and it's still, you know, I still have it in the package. Haven't done anything with it. I'm gonna put these screws back in there. That way they won't get lost. And then I got some paper towels, and I found an old Windex bottle or something, and I just filled it full of water. And that I'm gonna wipe it off real quick. That shows you just how good that polyacrylic does. It really protects your plane. I guess we could pull off the elevators. Throwing stuff around. Undoing the screw in the servo. Pop that guy off. Put that screw back in there. Then we get our Allen and undo the 2 screws elevator has. These elevators have have hinges like they're supposed to, but the wings don't, and for some reason. Boys, it's tight to get that screw. It's right next to the servo for the rudder. It's really tight. Or you have to take off the servo arm. But these tools are really good. They're small. Got it? Let's see if these come apart a little easier. Yeah, much easier. Well, one of them. There we go. Whoa, get back over here. Get back over here. All right, let's find the box. Let's see how much dust is actually on this thing here. I don't know if you guys can wet my finger. Huh. And then I'll show you the towel, and we'll see. It's not just wet. That's pretty. Look at the difference. It's hanging up in the near the ceiling. When you fly them, they get dusted. You know, no, just sits up there collecting more dust. All right, I'm gonna wipe these other three down, then we'll put it in the box. I actually have two boxes. Just remember there was another one in a different closet. Wonder if I could cut the foam up somehow to get the rudder to stay on there. I mean, to be able to put the plane in there with the rudder. See the outline there. Let's dry fit it. Still haven't wiped down the fuselage. Maybe the nose cone needs to come off. Now, even if I took this nose off, there's really no way to make it fit. There's no way. But the landing gear, it goes right. How does it go? That's how the landing gear goes. And then one goes like that. And one goes like that. And then you get this piece that goes like that. Wing no. One goes like this. let's see here. Let's play with the foam pieces and see if it'll help make our game of Tetris. That goes on top. It has a tape. And then that like that. So one of them goes. Could have swore one went like that. Now we're getting closer. Aha! The piece that fell on the ground. Bada bing, bada boom. Goes like that. So one of them goes first. Like that, maybe like that. And then there's this one. That one gets plugged in there like that. Yep. All right, so now we just need to put the rest of the foam pieces in. First. All right, I just had a flip flop and servo went down, and then this servo goes up. Now I think I got the foam piece below the wrong way. I think I have a little practice. And then like so. And like so. All right, there we go, guys. There we go. Then getting it back in the box is always a chore. Alright, one down. A couple more to go. I still got to put the air tractor. I've still got its box. I got to put the air tractor in. Well, guys, hey, I basically wanted to say I haven't forgot about you. So once I get moved, get set up, I can't wait to come back and start making videos. Trust me, I can't wait. So hey, make sure that you're still subscribed. For some reason, people are disappearing like on accident. I don't know what it is, some kind of glitch or who knows, but make sure that you're still subscribed. I'll pop back soon. Check out my other channel. It'd be really cool. Subscribe to it. That'd make my day. YouTube Pays My Mortgage. That's the name of the other channel. Okay, guys. Hey, thank you. Until next time, you'll see me here, or there, but here. Adios. Might be the last video from this hangar. All right.